Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zainab. So if this is your first time seeing me here, you're welcome. Please do consider subscribing, and if you're an existing subscriber already, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm giving you this makeup tutorial. It's an Eid inspired makeup look, very easy to create. Like it's a pinkish makeup tutorial with a flawless base and also an ombre lip. So in this video, my foundation routine is kind of different, unlike the usual foundation I usually use. You know, Eid is coming up, so you don't want to go out looking all cakey. So most especially for my oily skin ladies, this foundation routine will really help you out. So if you really want to see how I achieved this Eid inspired easy makeup look, then keep on watching. So first I'll be moisturizing my face, and I'm using this Miss Metics moisture portion. I'm just applying that all over my face, and I'll be spreading that out and leave in for some minutes. Next I'll be setting the whole face, and I'm using this Air Spoon translucent loose powder. I'll be spreading that all over my face also, and after that I'll be setting the whole face, and I'm using this Nuban Beauty Seal It setting spray. It's a Nigerian brand, so I'll let that dry in. Then onto my face primer, I'm using the Makeup Obsession Pore Perfecting Putty Primer. I'm spreading that all over my face. So next I'll be going in with my foundation, and the foundation I'll be using, it's a Nigerian brand from Hega and Esther. It's a mattifying foundation, also in shade Carrot. So I'm using my Moda brush to spread that all over my face, and I'll be using my Sigma Beauty brush also to just blend that all out. And this foundation routine is set to make your foundation look flawless. So next I'll be using my beauty blender to just blend everything out. Just take a look at this foundation routine, girl, you need to try this out. So I'll be concealing my face using this LA Girl Pro concealer in shade Fawn. I'll just be concealing the highlighted areas. So I'm applying that under my eyes, my chin, my forehead, my mustache area, and I forgot to apply that on my nose bridge, but you shouldn't forget to do that. So I'm blending that all out using my beauty sponge. And yes, this beauty sponge I'm using is from Cosmic Brushes. It's so soft, I so much love it. So I'm just blending all the concealed area out. So next I'll be going in with a lighter concealer, and this is from Zekel Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand. Also I'll be highlighting my face using this HD matte concealer, and I'm just applying that under my eye to just highlight all the highlighted areas that are meant to be highlighted. So that is what I'm doing right now. As you can see, they're all bright and popped out. So I'm just blending all the highlighted area out. And to set my highlighted area, I'll be using this same Air Spoon translucent loose face powder. I'm just setting my face, not really setting my face, setting the highlighted part only, not baking. And just take a look at what I'm doing. I still forgot to highlight my nose bridge, and now I'm setting it. Anyways, please do not forget to do that. So now I'm going in with my Flawless by Ivy press powder. It's also a Nigerian brand, and it's in shade beige. I'm using my Cosmic Brushes face powder brush in doing that. Just take a look at that. Okay, so next I'll be bronzing my face, and I'm using this Coptin bronzer from Revolution Pro. I did a review on this bronzer here, and I'll be leaving a card up. You could just check that out. And I'm using my Sigma Beauty angled contour brush in doing that out. You could also use the bronzer in doing your contour, but I just want to make my face look so soft, so I'm going in with that same bronzer to just create my nose contour. And I'm using this small brush here from Faux Color, and I'm applying a translucent powder on my nose bridge to just define the nose. So for my blush, I'm using this I Heart Revolution 2-in-1 matte blush in shade Inspiring. I'm just going to be applying that on my cheeks. I so much love blush, guys, so just taking a look at that. So for my eyeshadow, I'm using this Daydreamer eyeshadow palette from Makeup Obsession. So first I'll be priming my eyes, and I'm using this LA Girl Pro concealer in shade Fawn. I'm using my concealer brush to just buff that out, to just like blend everything all over my eye area. So the first shade I'll be using here is in True Love. I'll be applying this and blending it lightly on my crease area. So I'm using this lighter shade here in Cherish to blend out the edges so that there will be a smooth transition over there. So I'm using my setting spray to wet my flat brush so as to make the next shade in Flame pop out more, and I'm applying that all over my lid. So I'll be going in with that first shade in True Love, and I'm just putting that at the corner of my eye and also sweeping that into my crease area. So I'll be using the same process for my second eye, and yes, all the brushes I've been using so far for my eyes are from Sigma Beauty. So I'm just trying to take out little fallout from the eyeshadow off. For my eyeliner, I'm using this Zaron Cosmetics gel liner in shade Jazz. It's a Nigerian brand, and in drawing this, I'm using my Sigma Beauty small angled brush. So I did upload a super easy winged eyeliner tutorial for beginners. You could just click the card above to watch. So for my mascara, I'm using this False Effect Lash Mascara. It's from Revolution Pro and it's in shade Black. So the lashes I'll be using is from Wink Lashes. It's from their Alter Ego collection, and it's also a Nigerian brand. So I'm setting my face using my Nuban Beauty Solid Setting Spray. And for my highlighter, I'm using this Candid Glow by Yanga Beauty. It's also a Nigerian brand. I'll be using this to just highlight my face. So for my waterline, I'll be using this black kohl pencil here from Makeup Obsession. Next, I'll be smoking out my lower lash line. So to line my lips, I'll be using this lip liner here from Beauty Line by Didi. It's also a Nigerian brand and it's in shade Maroon. So as you can see, I'm just lining my whole lips with this pencil here. Next, I'll be going in with this Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick from Revolution Pro in shade Swerve. And I'll be topping it using this Makeup Obsession Plumping Lip Gloss. So for my hair tie, I'm using this band here. You could also use a paper, and what you do is just to fold it like the band there. So I'm using my hair tie, and the hair tie is really small. So what I did was just put the band at the edge of the hair tie, and you just fold 2 to 3 times, and yeah, you just put that on your head and tie depending on how tight you want it. So I just tie mine 2 times, and you just arrange the front, tie and tuck in the rest somewhere behind. So I just had to tuck in the remaining little one remaining because my hair tie is so small. It would have been way better with a bigger hair tie, but it's still the same time process though. So guys, that's just all on how I usually tie my Ankara hair tie. If you all know me, I'm usually with this tie always on any picture I post. So using my Flawless Ivy press powder, I'm just trying to set my whole face, but most especially I'm focusing more on the highlighted area, so it could just pop out and look more brighter. So that's just it, guys. Thank you all for sticking with me. Do let me know down below the comment section how easy this look was. Okay guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you did enjoy watching this look as much as I enjoyed creating this Eid makeup look. If you did learn something, please let me know down below the comment section, and also let me know what you think about this look. Do let me know if you'll be creating this look, or if you'll be using this foundation routine I just used here in creating this look. Do let me know. And also guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that. Give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure your girl some love, guys. Click on
on that notification bell so you don't miss any video of mine whenever I post. And also please do stay safe. Remember to wear your face mask while going out. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.